How to get transaction ID on Paxful. If you would like to get your transaction ID on Paxful, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open your browser, go to paxful.com. If you'd like to get an ID for a certain transaction, click on the drop down menu from the top right. Then you want to simply go to this option called Trade History or My Transactions, right? So right here. So now inside a certain transaction, you'll find the option to export that transaction. So if it is trade transaction, non-trade stable coin, whichever. When you export that particular transaction to any file format like CSV or Excel format, you will also be able to find a transaction ID. Similar is the case for the trade history as well. If you go to a certain transaction, when you click the drop down menu, you'll be able to download that particular transaction details to export them. And when you export them in a certain file, able to find that particular transaction ID. This way you will be able to find a. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our